watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by a wig I do not have in my collection, which is a green wig. So this is considered a black green wig, and this is actually from a wig company I have not tried. I believe you pronounce it Maycaur hair. So let's just take a look at this little green black little bob girl. Look at her. I mean, clearly I absolutely love a bobbed wig, and you know, I love a wavy wig too, so this is kind of like totally up my alley, and I'm excited to have this color because life is all about living in color. Okay, perfect. So let's just look at the construction of this girl. Medium colored lace right here, up here in the front. She does have a lot of lace in the front. She has your standard 2.5 inch parting right here as well. And then I don't know if you can tell, but she has some longer baby hairs cut right here in the front. So that's really nice that that's kind of already ready to go. And for the cap construction, she has 2 combs right here in the side, and then she has 1 comb right back here with the fasteners. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. She is also heat resistant to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really great. So one thing I will tell you, which is really cool from looking at this wig, which would be hard to tell from the photo, is that she has the multi-dimensional strands. So she has green, but then she also has like these darker turquoise pieces, or these teal. It's really amazing that like has these pops of brighter like blue green. I don't know if you can see that, but I really love when a wig has every strand a different color, because it just makes it look a little bit more radiant and natural. She also does have dark roots right here. I'd probably consider these like a 1B or a black or whatnot. So perfect. Also, she does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and rock her out. But I will actually be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. So let me come up a little bit so you can take a look at the hairline of this wig. Of course, plucking her out would be ideal for your wig life, your best wig life possible. But of course, if you glue her down, that would also be amazing. But there she is. Let's just quickly cut off the lace. Now I'm gonna take my wig brush and just brush her out just a little bit. And here she is down the center. She is so adorable. She really is. I really love a bobbed wig, and also because the shorter the hair, the less your wigs are gonna tangle. So this is always just such a dream. Okay, so let's play with the parting as I usually do. So let's shift her to my left eyebrow, which is my usual eyebrow. Oh, this is cute. I love this, especially with this kind of front little wave right here. And of course, if I do want to keep it on this side, I may just trim up this bottom just so it isn't as long as it is, just to, you know, even it out a little bit. But this is really cute. Loving that. So definitely a different look she can give. So let's switch her to the other side really quick here. I feel still almost the same. Definitely the wave pattern isn't the same right over here, but of course if you wanted it to do the same thing, you can just correct that with a curling iron or whatnot. But this is really cute, and of course, you know, trimming this out if you do want this to always land on this side, but this is definitely doable. Cute little bob. Let's move her back in the middle. I'm really loving how fun this wig is. Of course, the color is its standout point, but of course, love always a cute little bobbed wig with a little wave. This is so great. I really enjoy it. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have any wigs from this company. Maycaur, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'd love to know about it, and of course, I would love to see you rocking out your wigs. I absolutely love it. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to share pictures of you being amazing and rocking your life out. So let's all empower each other every single day of our lives to be the best that we can be, because life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this green, black bobby wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.